Hello there and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to crochet this super solid granny square with no gaps at all. This square is really easy and simple to make, and I will go through every step and every stitch very slowly and in detail in this video so every beginner can follow along. Let's get started. For this project, I'm using this wonderful soft merino wool. It is Bingo from Lana Grossa. And for this yarn, I will need a 5mm crochet hook, a darning needle to weave in the ends, and some scissors. To begin, I'm going to make a magic circle. So I will wrap my yarn around my two fingers like this and create an X. Then I will take my hook, insert it underneath the bottom yarn, grab the top yarn and pull it through, and yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. And here's my magic circle. If you find it very hard to make the magic circle, you can also make an adjustable ring by chaining 4 and joining with a slip stitch. So as you can see, I already have one chain here, so I'm going to chain 3 more. Yarn over, pull through, 1, 2, 3, and these 4 chains here will count as the first treble of the round. So I'm just going to pull my yarn tail a little bit to make the circle smaller. And then I'm going to make 3 double crochet into the circle. So yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And 2 more times into the circle. And these 3 double crochet here will make the first side of my square. So next I'm going to create the first corner. So to do that, I'm just going to make a treble crochet into the circle. So I'm going to yarn over twice, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And next I will make 3 double crochet into the circle. And now that I've made the second side of my square, I will make the next corner. So again, I will make a treble crochet into the circle. So yarn over twice, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, make 3 double crochet into the circle. So 1, 2, and 3. And I will make the last corner, so I will make a treble crochet into the circle. And at last, 3 more double crochet into the circle to make the last side of the square. One, 2, and 3. And I will end the round with a slip stitch into the top of the chain 4 that counts here as the first corner. So insert, pull through the loop on the hook. And my first round is now complete. So I'm going to chain 4 again to start the next round. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, the chain 4 counts as a treble crochet and will make up the first corner of the square. So next I'm going to make 2 double crochet into that same stitch here. So 1 and 2 double crochet, and next 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So you can see the first stitch is hiding a little bit here, so it's easy to miss that one. So I will insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, into the next 2 stitches. I've now reached the corner stitch here, which is the treble crochet of the first round. So into this stitch, I'm going to make 2 double crochet, a treble crochet, and 2 more double crochet, all into that same stitch. So first, 1 and 2 double crochet, then a treble crochet, which will make up the next corner of the square, and then again 2 more double crochet into that same stitch. And next, double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. I've now again reached my corner stitch, which is the treble crochet here from the previous round. So into that stitch, I will make 2 double crochet, a treble, and 2 more double crochet, all into that same stitch. 1 and 2 doubles and 1 treble, and 2 more double crochet. And again, for the side of my square, I will just make a double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, and 3. And again, I've reached this next corner stitch, which is the treble crochet from the previous round. And again, into this stitch, I will make 2 double crochet, a treble, and 2 more double crochet into that same stitch. So 2 double crochet and a treble, and 2 more double crochet into the same stitch. And as you can see, I now have 3 stitches left, so I'm just going to make a double crochet into these last 3 stitches. Next, I'm going to finish this last corner. So as you can see, I already have 4 chains that counts as a treble, and I have 2 doubles into that same stitch. So I will need 2 more double crochet into that same stitch. And I'm actually going to work into the slip stitch here. So 1 and 2. And I will close the round with a slip stitch into the top of the chain 4. So insert, pull through the loop on the hook. And my second round is now complete. And from here, I can just go on and make as many rounds in my square as I want to, following the exact same principle. Only I will have a few more stitches in each side to work into for each round. So I'm just going to show you again. First, chain 4, which will count as the first corner. Then make 2 double crochet into that same stitch. Then I'm going to make a double crochet into the next 7 stitches. And remember this first stitch here that's hiding a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I've now reached this corner stitch, which is the treble crochet from the previous round. So into this stitch, I will make 2 double crochet, 1 treble, and 2 more double crochet. Two double crochet, 1 treble for the corner, and 2 more double crochet. And again, double crochet into the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And with that, I've reached the next corner stitch. And as always, I will make 2 double crochet, a treble crochet, and 2 more double crochet into that corner stitch. 2 double crochet, 1 treble for the corner, and 2 more double crochet. And again, double crochet into the next 7 stitches. And again into the corner stitch, which is the treble of the previous round. I will make 2 double crochet, 1 treble, and 2 double crochet. And at this point, I should have 7 stitches left. So I will just make a double crochet into these last 7 stitches. And to complete this first corner here, I'm just going to make 2 double crochet into this slip stitch here, where I joined the previous round. So 1 and 2. And at last I will close the round with a slip stitch into the top of the chain 4. And again, I will just repeat the same process for every round. So again, chain 4, which counts as the first corner, so the first treble. Then 2 more double crochet into that same stitch. And I now have 11 stitches to work into for each side of my square. So I will just make a double crochet into all of these 11 stitches. And again into the corner stitch, 2 double crochet, 1 treble, and 2 double crochet. And again, double crochet into the next 11 stitches for the side of my square. And that takes me to the next corner stitch, So into this stitch, I will again make 2 double crochet, a treble crochet, and 2 more double crochet. And again for the side of my square, I will just make a double crochet into the next 11 stitches. And again into the corner stitch, 2 double crochet, 1 treble, and 2 double crochet. And again for the side, I will just make a double crochet into the next 11 stitches. And here at last, I will complete the first corner here by making 2 double crochet into this slip stitch here, where I joined the previous round. And I will close the round with a slip stitch into the top of the chain 4. And I'm just going to fasten off my yarn here, but if you wish, you can just continue to make as many rounds as you want to, only you will have 4 more stitches in each side of the square to work into for each round. So I'm going to cut my yarn over and pull through the loop to tie a knot. And I'm going to weave in the yarn tails on the back side. And I will just weave it in once and twice to secure the yarn. And we are now all done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give it a like and comment down below. And also feel free to write me down in the comment section if you have any great suggestions for my next video. Remember to subscribe to my channel for a lot more crocheting tutorials, and I'll see you